This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your secret phrase on Trust Wallet. First, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Once the app is open, locate and tap on the Settings icon, usually found in the bottom right corner. From the Settings menu, proceed to select Wallets to see a list of all your connected cryptocurrency accounts. Now, select the specific wallet you need the secret phrase for from the list. After choosing your wallet, look for and tap the three dots or the eye icon, which typically indicates more options. This action will reveal a menu where you should then select Show Secret Phrase or Show Recovery Phrase to proceed. Before proceeding, carefully read the important security warning displayed on your screen. It emphasizes the critical nature of your secret phrase. You will then be prompted to confirm your identity using your device's security, such as your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. This step ensures only you can access this sensitive information. Your 12-word secret phrase is now visible. It is crucial to write this phrase down on a physical piece of paper. Store this paper in a very secure, private location, completely offline. Remember, this phrase is the master key to your funds. Never share it with anyone, under any circumstances, not even Trust Wallet support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.